si Mitch Del Carmen. Mitch?
Yes, Chicky and Denise. Sanhi nga ng pangit nilang depensa, yung challenge kasi is communication. Slowly, it's developing na nakita nga nila sa RC Cola, but it's not enough. Pagkatapos daw, ang unang gagawin daw nila after this conference is team building. Dito sa second set, kailangan lang nilang ibalik yung kanilang amuyan. Hopefully, not too late, just like the last game. Balik sa inyo.
Mababango lahat yan. Sigurado ako, Mitch. Mababango lahat yan. Pero term talaga yun sa team sport. Amo yan, you have to know kung paano karakas ng teammate mo.
Yeah. You know, we were talking about it in their last match, itong Photon. They should actually have an advantage as well dahil tatlo sa kanilang starting six matagal nang magkakasama. Talking about BMAC,
Yeah.
of course, Maika Enangge from UST. So,
Edge yun.
oo, kaya lang, syempre, hindi lang naman tatlo ang nasa loob ng court. So, siguro lang talaga sila kinukulang pati.
Tingnan natin dito, first point ng set number 2, nakuha ng Photon, courtesy of Dana Henson. Kailangan mo be serving para po sa top landers. 1-0, pangol sa Photon. Set number 2. Good serve there. At the net, akala ko papaluin agad, pero tumama si Jamil.
Net violation.
Hindi siya pumreno doon. Minsan yung momentum ko talaga.
Pero sayang yan because ano na lang hindi ka na umatake, biglang nagkamali ka pa na tama lang sa net.
Dapat dito magaling ka mag-matrix. Ilaagad mo
Iwas,
talaga yung net.
yeah. Oh,
Navarro, great defense by Photon.
very well read by Ortiz. Kasi ito, pag frontline si Janelle Cheng, it's really either Navarro will go for that outside hit o papasok siya ng tres, yung middle hit.
Kita mo yung mukha ni Johnny Navarro, pumulmal eh. Basta ikaw isang mahusay na hitter, tapos bigla kang di ka na-depensa, napalpal siya. Di pwede. Henson. Cheng will set up Janine again. Sabi ko na sa'yo, iba yung pin ng bawi ng Navarro. First point of signal there. It's 1, serving 3. Araneta. Depensahan doon. Balik dito sa signal. Navarro once more. Soft one. Oh, si Jack.
So good attack there from Araneta. Alam niya rin galing pa sa likod. Ito si Jack Janela. Medyo mahirapan talaga siya. Nahirapan talaga siya.
Ortiz will be serving. It's 4 serving 1. Not a good set there para sa signal. Pero, okay na.
Okay na rin. Hindi kinuha ni Dima Kolaman. That was a high ball.
Any point is welcome. Ika nga. Signal na yan. Panaga will be serving, signal down by 2. It's Jeanette Panaga.
Nice serve.
Oo nga. 3 ball, pagkakataon ng signal, makalapit dito. Galing ni Jeanette sa ganun.
Gusto ko yung minention mo kanina pag natatawa yung player, alam nila medyo nakachamba,
Diba?
medyo swinerte. Kasi yung tama ng bola was straight to the net.
Yung reaction, okay.
Swerte.
3 serving 4. Almost an ace there. Signal muli. Pagkakataon tumabla. Laporte. Back to Photon. Henson to the back. Buti na lang hindi inabot yun.
Yeah.
Si Perti decided at the last second to let go of that ball.
Well, meron niyang tansya. If it's over your shoulder normally at medyo nasa likod ka naman nakadepensa, have to let it go.
Paano pag shoulder si Jack?
Ay, abutin na lang niya.
Diba? Depende
Well,
rin
of
sa-
course, oo. But she knows she's a tall girl.
Tied at 4. Jack, biro lang. Diving. Kinapos itong si Orendain. Pati si Rolly. May description. Gulat ako sa barker natin. 5-4. Tingnan natin to. Ganda ng pala Ultra Fast Spike brought to you by PLDT Monterra. The Ultra Fast LTE for a happy fan. nagulat ako kay Mr. Manlapas there. HC Spikers. Great net defense by Araneta. Tabla tayo sa 5. So ganito rin ang set 1. Nagkahiwalay lang to towards the latter.
Yeah.
Dana Henson will serve. Cheng, quick one to Laborte. Favorite ni Mikian.
It works for her. But again, hindi na naman yun in-expect ni Di Makulangan. Parang nagulat siya eh. She went for it one hand lang.
Tingnan mo yung mga kamay ni ano. From our angle, kamay ni Mick Laborte.
Heavily tipped.
Puno ng balot. And that's a service error by Navarro. So we are tied at 6. Again, this is the third round of our preliminary round, mga kaibigan. 6 na teams po ito. Each team will have a total of 6 games. 4 teams, kakalabanin nila ng isang beses. At ang 5 team, kakalabanin nila ng 2 beses. 3 maangat, sasamang international team para sa final round. Ultra Fast Bike, boom! Brought to you by PLDT Montera, the Ultra Fast LTE for a happy family. Chance for photo tie. Patty will not do that. Walang check ball daw doon. 8-6 na mga signal. First technical timeout ng set number 2. Check Jonella on your screens. Mga liberos. Laban ng liberos to. Kontra kay Angge Tabaquero. Be heard through shout. Pumunta lang sa sportsfy.ph at hanapin ang shout widget para magparamdam ng suporta sa inyong mga PSL idols. Lamang si Jack na yun sa laban ng mga libero. So 8-7. Lamang pa rin dito ang signal ng isa. So Estampa will be serving para po sa top lander. 7 serving 8. Laborte. May kasamang palakpak pa yun.
But again, she's like that. She's a player who's not really gonna give you power all the time. Pero pag usapang hanapan ng pwesto, hanapan ng butas, you really have to go to Mick Laborte.
Veterano na to. Seasoned player. Signal up by 2. Patty using the left hand. Balik sa signal. Mandapat. At the net. So anong violation ni
Breaching
Galeno?
violation. Because si Rhea was still trying to go for that set at yung bola ay nasa side pa ng inunahan na kagad ni Banaga.
So bawal ka mag-over the back.
Yes. You can only touch the ball kapag nandun na siya sa gitna ng net.
Pero minsan nakakalusot pa yun, Denise, sa experience mo. Depende kung gaano ka layo yung bola.
Yung dapat overreaching pero hindi tinawagan.
Palagi mang eagle eye ang mga referees natin dyan. Minsan may lusot.
Minsan
Minsan tao lang eh.
hindi. Tsaka mabilis naman kasi talaga yung bola. Sometimes, may tao lang. Tama ka, tao lang naman din sila.
It's a very fast ball.
Yes.
Kasi bago ng net. Pero ito, yung hindi mabilis para sa signal na depensa nila Janet yan. 3 na ang kalamangan nila, 11-8. Serving for signal, number 5. Mary Grace Berte. It's 11 serving 8. Set 1 na, sungkit po ng signal. Quick one for Ortiz. Nagkagulo. Ang pinball ang signal doon.
But they should try and give it to Ortiz more. Especially pag dyan siya sa harap, kailangan nila i-maximize yung potential ni Ortiz.
9 serving 11. Mahabol pa rin dito ang photo. They're down by 2. Navarro with a hit. Ganda ng floor defense sa kabila. Araneta will score that one. Mandapat was going one direction. The ball was going the other way.
Kasi ang problema, pumapalo na yung spiker, gumagalaw pa si Mandapat. Dapat, as soon as nasa ere na siya, steady ka na. Pagka-hit ng bola, tsaka ka gumalaw ulit. Basahin.
Nangyari doon, tama ka, paporma na, bigla kang gagalaw. Lalo kang may isahan doon. Isa na lang abante dito ng signal. Smart move by Cheng. Pero Henson kept that ball alive. Cheng will set. Panaga. Sa kabila, muntik kang hindi magkaamuyan dito ang Photon. Navarro, power, great dig. Nabuhayan dito ang Photon, but that's a free ball. Navarro once more. Ganda ng depensa ng Photon. Ang problema yung third ball. At the net. Panaga, Tabaquero, doing her job. Henson.
Goes in. So good defense from Janelle Cheng. Not mistaken, siya yung naka-block doon sa palong yung, I think that was Panaga. Wala.
Pero at least sumusuporta
Yeah,
si Janelle
Janelle
sa
Cheng,
gilid.
yeah.
Oo. Haba ng rally, napuntad pa rin sa signal. And that's an ace from the setter, Janelle Cheng. 13-10, signal up by 3. Coach Villa, di mo na maipinta dito yung mukha. Ito si Mitch, may balita muli sa amin. Go ahead, Mitch.
Janelle Cheng, lagi daw sinasabi sa kanya ni Coach is laruin niya lang, set play at mag-relax. Pag nararattle daw siya, iniisip lang ni Janelle is pipikit siya, tapos hihinga siya and she's good to go. Balik sa inyo.
Buti na lang hindi pumipikit pagka siniset yung bola.
Habang nasa loob ng court, pumipikit.
Oo. But you're right, Mitch. I'm looking at Cheng. She's having fun here. Well, except for that one.
Yeah. Alam mo kasi, ito, ang training sa setter, number one, not just the technical part, but also yung mental stability mo. Dapat ikaw talaga yung pinakamatibay at hindi na-rattle sa loob ng court. Dahil walang mangyayari sa opensa nyo kung ikaw ang nagpapanik.
Tama ko. Ikaw, nung kapanahonan mo,
Yeah.
setter ka rin, di ba? Sana mapanood namin yung mga videos mo. Kung kain natin yan,
PSL na lang panoorin natin.
kain natin yan, direct ko yan. Napan natin ang paraan yan. 14-11, signal up by 3. And everyone from the camp of Coach Shami nag-aampak. Napansin mo dito, Denise, sa Photon, nagtatrabaho si Angge. Tatrabaho ang second ball. Third ball, parang walang gusto pumalo.
Mahirap eh. Kanina nga, di ba, nagkatinginan tayo because there was an instance na naitaas ng maayos yung bola. And someone could have been there to attack it. At least kahit hindi ganun kalakas na spike and try to just challenge your opponent. Pero ang nangyari, binalik lang din easily with the dig pass lang. Binalik sa signal eh.
Kung meron man nagtatrabaho sa aking obserbasyon, itong kapitan, si Araneta, trying as much as possible na may dissenting palo on the third ball. The power by Navarro, giving signal another 3-point lead, 15-12. Another look here. Again, beautiful set there coming from Cheng. Lamang ng tatlo ngayon ang signal. Toplanders, quick one. Great defense by Cheng. Maganda rin ang depensa sa kabila ng kapitan.
That's what you need. Kung nahihirapan ka na sa floor defense mo, at least makabawi ka man lang with your blocking.
13 serving 15. Quick one for Laborte. Bumalik ang bola sa signal. Mandapat. Another great dig by Tapaquero. Araneta. Sinuntok lang doon ni Cheng. Signal once more at the net. It's going to be a free ball. Cheng. Combination there and Mandapat will score. 16-13. Lamang po dito ang signal sa set 2, 16-13. At lamang po sa set count, 1-0. Denise, tanong ko sa iyo, meron bang ginagawang exception in the way ng signal dito sa larong ito? Or flat pa rin ang ginagawa ng Photon Toplanders?
Ako, for me, nothing really exceptional from Signal. I mean, they're playing their game, but I don't think this is, I don't think they're at their peak right now.
Hindi A-game.
Oo, hindi A-game, kumbaga. Kaya lang itong Photon, masyado lang talaga madaming mga laps na, I mean, as simple as yung communication. Nga, kanina Coach Velat was saying, ang dami nagbabanggaan sa likod na hindi naman na dapat nangyayari pa at this level. And yun nga, yung pagbalik ng third ball, like you mentioned, hindi ganun ka-challenging para sa Signal.
Sinasabi nga ng coaches, di ba? Walang, pwede mo sabing malas ka sa opensa. Pero hindi pwede sabing malas ka sa depensa. Because nasa sa'yo yun eh. If you're going after that 50-50 ball, if you're going after that extra step to get that save.
But the thing is, we're not really seeing. All that we're seeing is the hesitation that Photon plus in the first set.
Kung meron man ako natutunan sa inyo nila Chicky Pablo, nila Tex Shooter, kayong tatlo, yung word na akin, pwede ka maging selfish
Oo.
sa laro ng volleyball. Ano? I mean, of course, no, kailangan may control din yan. But hindi kayo pwede magkahiya.
Yeah. Hindi pwede magtinginan, mag-hesitate.
And I've seen people bumping each other. Ito muna, isang angulo, ultra fast spike brought to you by PLDT Home Ultera, the ultra fast LTE for a happy family. Pati Orendain with a great hit. But they need more of those because they're down in this set by 3 points, 18-15.
Again, that was a good play from Laborte. For Hingpit rather, dahil alam niya bagong pasok nito si Ivor Ulia. So, syempre, hindi niya pa masyadong gamay ulit yung timing nito ni Laborte.
Toplanders. Hingpit with a great defense there. Oy, free ball. Photon. Soft touch. Laborte. Great defense. Berte. Oh, check ball. Napangiti si Mary Grace Berte.
Medyo nakailalim nga siya dun sa bola. I think that's why she's really happy about it.
And just see them, ano, pag alam nilang miss hit, tapos tumama sa kamay, sabay sisigaw sa first referee. Check ball, ha? Check ball, ha?
Tapos kapag netalikod na lang.
Oo. Kunyari, walang nangyari. That point will go to Photon na double violation. Tinawag dito sa signal. 16 serving 19. Orendain will be serving para po sa Toplanders. It's a good serve by Patty. Hingpit will set, back set to Vivas. Bawi dito. Tiangco. Balik sa signal. Muntik magagawan doon si Jonella and Hingpit. Photon muli. Combination play. Oh, sayang ang cross court outside.
Yeah. Medyo na-late dun si Mike Ortiz. Kaya yung form niya, she was going for that slide. Talagang parang nagkabali-bali na yung katawan niya.
Pero pagpalo, kita mo, dinudungaw, hinahabaan yung leeg para makita, pumasok ka.
Oh, you know what? Before nung naglalaro ako, we used to have this drill na mag-approach ka lang tapos dudungaw ka lang dun sa net. That's
Oo.
really part of it.
Talaga?
Oo, kailangan masanay ka na sinisilip mo yung court over the net.
As in, tatanong ka lang. Lampas baba.
Oo.
Wow, I love that drill. Ang problema kung aabot ako sa main net. Lamang pa rin ang signal. Action continues. Ganda ng rally natin dito. Tiangco. Jonella was there. Hingpit, back set. Vivas. Kabila naman. Buhay pa rin dito ang bola. Where will they go? Hingpit, quick one to Panaga. Zone 1 was open.
Yeah, again, Panaga just knowing na ang normal defense formation when a quick is or a middle attacker is going for it, talagang wala nagbabantay doon sa dalawang corner.
Ultra Fast Bike brought to you by PLDT Home Ultera, the Ultra Fast LTE for a happy family, and that's a happy Vivas, happy Panaga, happy Signal. Mitch, anong kabalita mo sa amin ni Denise?
Micah Ortiz, sabi niya kinukuha niya raw yung kanyang momentum. Nag-enjoy lang daw siya and lagi siyang look to win. So doon niya nakuha yung momentum niya. Mindset niya ngayon is to focus lang sa gitna. Sinusundan niya kahit pangit yung bola kasi nothing is impossible pagdating kay Panaga. Balik sa inyo.
Yan ang fighter. Salamat sa iyo,
Yes.
Mitch. Sundan ng bola kahit pangit pa yan, and kung paluin mo ng may dahilan.
Yeah, at yun yung commitment na hinihingi ni Coach Villet back in the first set.
Vivas will score. So it's up to a 7-point lead para sa Signal, 23-16. The 2 points away from going 2-0 here in set 2. One more look. Umay Vivas, ganda ng preparation, kalmado lang. Ultra Fast Spike brought to you by PLDT Home Ultera, the Ultra Fast LTE for a happy family. Berte. Sa kabila, Tiangco muli.
Not over though.
Alam mo pag mababa yung palo,
Yeah.
hindi man lang lumampas
Hindi
sa
tumama
white.
sa tip eh.
Sa white strip. 8-point lead Signal. Coach Villet, pakinggan natin.
Dalawa lang ang block, di ba? Mag-blockers tayo eh. Di pa naman tapos ah. Mataas pa yung bola, nakakapag-play pa nga tayo eh. Kaya lang nakukuha nila eh, babalik sa atin. I-play pa rin natin. Ha, Nick, masyado ka ng siksik. Gawin mo ng paraan, itulak mo sa dulo. Kaya mo naman gawin, ginagawa mo sa ensayo yan eh. Tara, lapit na natin ako. Lapit na. Team, bottle!
Daming binanggit si Coach Villet, pero yung dulo, challenge si Monique Tiangco. Don't be too tight in the middle of the net or near the net. Yan sa likod.
Tsaka kung kita mo naman na hindi ka nalulusot sa blocker with a hard spike,
Why force it?
Oo, why force it?
Pag ganun na, Denise, di bali na mag-off speed ka. Lagay mo sa
Yeah, definitely. And what matters most is you get that ball over the net.
para pag bumalik sa inyo, may chance kang may-score pa. Pero kasi pag pinagigilan mo na,
Oo eh.
may alam ng player yan eh. Pag pinagigilan na. Gusto mong hilahin yung net para Rhea will be serving. It's 17, serving 24. Malayo-layo pa itong habulin dito ng Photon. But it's not yet over. Pwede pang umabol. Tingnan natin ang gagawin ng signal dito. Divas. Balik dito sa Photon. Araneta will set up Tiangco. And Tiangco will score.
That was the right time for her to go for that spike. Panaga, bit tad late for that block.
Kita mo rin yung signal. Parang waiting na lang for Photon to commit a mistake
Oo.
para ma-close yung set 2. Pero makakarinig sila kay Coach Shami pag inulit nila yon. Let's see. HD Spikers. And off the deflection, Panaga will close set 2. 25-18. Pabor pa rin sa Signal. 2-0 ang ating talaan. Signal up by 2 sets. Third set when we return.